What is going on, you guys? Your boy from Crumble, and today, guys, we'll be taking a look. I'm gonna do one at a time because we got number one here, guys, of the Kinder Surprise. Yes. What we got here? Another blooming parrot! Oh, for goodness sake! I have fucking loads of these blooming artist things. I got one. Right here for that one. Fuck that. Right, next one. That was number one, this is number two. Now we're not going to be putting them together, guys, because I have number two. Here's number three. Oh, we have a toucan. I'll show the instructions for I am. Give me a minute, I'll probably do number two, so we have to. No, I'll do that later. Okay. Number four. Another fuck. Wait a minute. This is like a dragonfly. There you go, guys. A dragonfly. Alright. Fuck's sake, we always get the most coolest things. Oh, I didn't show the detail of the painting. There, guys, we have like the pond structure, and then we have some. Right. And number four, we have number five. My iPhone isn't focusing very well today. There we go. We have a parrot, guys. And that's not number 5 to 6. Fucking elephant. Yeah, number elephant. I got many of these guys. This water pistol elephant. Why is this phone not focusing on me? God, my phone is not focusing now. Ah, fuck it. And here, guys, we have the instructions how it works. I don't believe it. My phone is not focusing now. It's being a dick. Oh, there we go. Here, number one, number two, it's down. Here, number three. And number four, guys. Download the free app, man. Number 6. I ain't should have seen that one, did I? This is the line, guys. Then You get to download, you see that there. You get to download that. Man, it's better than weird feather. I didn't show you that, did I? It's close up. See what focuses. Yeah. Okay. The next one I didn't show you guys, this one. So number 1, you put on the nail. Number 2, put water on it. And number 3, you put on the thing and you paint on it. And then on the back, you have a barcode that you can scan to let it come to life. Okay. Thanks guys for watching. That's all I've got time for. See you around. Bye bye.